No, there's nothing wrong with this place whatsoever. Now, that is not a battery because the battery was just changed. So what I will do is turn the air off. I know you guys hate that noise. Well, at least it didn't happen in the middle of the night like it usually does. So look, it no longer happens when the unit is shut off. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with this place. Okay, so it's now just a few minutes after I turn the unit off, and there's absolutely no beeping, nothing. It only happens at times when the unit is on. I don't know whether that is carbon monoxide or fire, because of course it's not labeled. Nonetheless, it's no longer ringing.